Did you know there are two really easy to make smoothie drinks that physically increase your penis size? Basically, nobody knows about these, and yet you could go to your kitchen and make them right now to get ahead of the game. 60% of men have one question in life: how do you make your penis bigger? Well, as soft as these drinks I'm talking about today may sound at first, they're going to end up providing rock hard results and strengthening your love life tenfold if you listen up. I'm not only going to show you the exact recipe for these two drinks, but I'll tell you how to use them properly to increase your penis size. No sitting here listing off 50 different choices. I'm actually going to show you why the two I've selected work, who they're for, and what kind of results you can actually expect. We're talking about more blood flow, which equals more girth, which equals more confidence. And trust me, if you stay consistent with these drinks, you might just be walking around with a third leg. A couple of months ago, my friend asked me if I could recommend any of these types of drinks because he knows I know what I'm talking about. And this wasn't the first time. Hundreds, maybe thousands of men ask me this every week. And this is the one I personally recommend to every guy who asks, and the effect is in the name. It's called the Dickup smoothie. Straight to the point, quite literally. If your goal is more blood flow, better stamina, and just to feel thicker, this is it. I'm going to show you exactly what to put in it and why each ingredient actually helps downstairs. So here's what you're going to put in it. You want some watermelon, a few beets, raspberries, grab some spinach, chop up some bananas. We've got to sacrifice some of those to grow ours after all. You want to sprinkle in some pumpkin seeds, then drizzle in a combination of honey, basil, cinnamon, and lemon juice. This last ingredient isn't a must, but if you've got it, throw some fenugreek in there too. These seeds have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. Don't get too caught up on exact amounts. Just throw in a handful of each like a real human being, and don't be a perfectionist. Use frozen bananas if you want the smooth, cold, and creamy texture. You can add ice if you want a bit colder, just don't water it down too much. Blend it all together until it's smooth, then drink it cold and finish it in one go. Now here's why this smoothie helps grow that pecker. You're stacking multiple ingredients that all push nitric oxide production and support testosterone at the same time. Watermelon and beets are both insane for blood flow because of the L-citrulline and the nitrates they help produce. And spinach backs that up too. So what that all actually means is you'll get a stronger erection, be able to recover quicker, and really just feel more alive during sex. Period. Basil helps with circulation of blood as well, and pumpkin seeds give you zinc, which really just help out with testosterone production. Bananas add bromelain for blood flow and calm nerves, and honey actually helps your body absorb everything better, whilst also improving your sleep. But the kicker, if you can get it, is fenugreek. And what this does is boost your sex drive, helps you get harder, and makes your nuts feel full again. Literally every single thing in this smoothie plays a role, but the fenugreek is like the cherry on top in terms of raw effects. Nothing is in here just for taste or filler. This is one of those drinks that doesn't just help your dick, it makes your whole body feel like it's in game mode. And who cares how much spinach or seeds you need to drink if it means performing better for the ladies. When I told my friend about this smoothie, he took one look at the ingredients and said he needed something with more kick. And for those of you thinking that's a ton of ingredients to remember, or maybe the smoothie comes across as a bit too soft, well, don't worry, don't turn away yet, because this next drink isn't a smoothie at all, it's a spicy, fire-driven big dick cocktail. It's not for pussies, it looks scary, tastes kind of wild, but I'm telling you, this one will have you swinging. All you need for this one is cocoa powder, cayenne pepper, slap some raw honey in there, a little bit of cinnamon, and then pour in some steaming hot water. You mix the cocoa and cayenne into boiling water first, stir that up until it's really smooth, then let it cool just enough so that honey doesn't get completely nuked. Add your cinnamon, splash a little vanilla if you want to make it fancy, but don't overthink it, and boom, you've got it. This whole drink takes like 5 minutes, and let me tell you, you'll be buzzing. Now, why does this work at all? Well, cocoa's got compounds that widen your blood vessels, which means way better blood flow to your dick, similar to the watermelon and the beets in the other smoothie. The cayenne pepper basically lights your bloodstream on fire, like in a good way, and gets everything moving fast. And the honey, like I said before, actually helps you soak everything up instead of just pissing it all out. It's also got antioxidants that help your nerve functions down there, which means you'll feel more and respond faster. Cinnamon helps regulate your blood sugar so you don't crash mid-round or feel like taking a nap. I've had guys tell me that this drink makes them feel like they're ready to do cardio in bed. It's pretty wild. However, here is something to keep in mind. If you've got stomach issues, this drink is probably not the one for you because remember, it's spicy and it's pretty damn strong. It's not for people with weak stomachs or medical problems. But if your system can handle it, this one will have you feeling like your blood pressure went straight to your dick. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, all right, cool, I'll just slam one of these down before sex and turn into a corn star. Slow the down. Because if you don't time when you drink one of these correctly, you're either going to finish too early or fall asleep mid-stroke. And let me tell you, both suck a lot. So here's the truth. just chugging one of these right before sex is not the move. This isn't pre-workout. This ain't the blue pill. This is something that builds over time. If you want maximum results, you got to treat these like part of your daily routine, not a last minute, let's get bricked up type of deal. The best time to drink one of these is in the morning, especially if you're intermittently fasting. Break your fast with it. Let it hit your bloodstream clean and quick. Doing that also lets the ingredients actually get absorbed by your body. Or if you're not fasting, just drink it first thing on an empty stomach and then go about your day. It gives your body time to process it before you even get naked. Now, if you do want to use one of these before sex, you got to time it out, like 2 to 4 hours before sex. You want to give your blood flow a chance to ramp up and allow your hormones to kind of kick in a bit. So what that means is don't slam a cold smoothie and expect to perform like a god 15 minutes later. That's not how this works. Give it time, let it work, then go and do your thing. However, here is the other thing. You don't need to drink both of these drinks every single day. Just rotate them so your body doesn't get used to one. Some days do the smoothie, other days do the cocoa drink. And if you're feeling wild, stack one in the morning and one before you bang one out. But don't overdo it. This isn't some magical penis potion. It's like fuel. Use it smartly and your body will respond way better than if you're just taking Viagra or something. You've got the timing, you've got the recipes, and you're probably already thinking which one you're going to try and make first. But let's not play dumb. You didn't stick around just to feel healthier. You want to know if this actually changes your dick size, your sex life, and the way you show up in bed. So let me show you what happens when it works. What you'll notice is more fullness, more pressure, your dick feeling thicker when it's hard, and even sometimes when it's soft. Guys tell me it feels heavier, denser, like there's more weight to it, and they swear that it hangs lower too. It's not magic, it's blood flow, hormone support, and actually feeding your body what it needs down there. And that thickness, it changes how certain positions feel for both you and her. When you're doing missionary, she feels the pressure way deeper. Doggy, you're hitting spots you didn't even know you could reach before. And if you've ever felt like you were just missing during sex, now you're actually filling that space. But let me keep it real, this isn't some overnight miracle. Okay, if you're drinking smoothies but eating garbage, not sleeping, and jerking off 5 times a day, nothing's gonna help you. You gotta treat your body like it actually matters if you want these drinks to do their job, because they do work, but only if you give them something to work with. So don't expect to turn into Johnny Sins just because you blended up some banana and spinach. This is about showing up better, lasting longer, and having the kind of dick that makes her pause and look back. That takes consistency, not a one-time chug. However, if you stay locked in, these drinks will make you feel like a different animal in the bedroom. At the end of the day, this ain't just about drinks or dick size, it's about showing up different, feeling dialed in, locked in, like you actually give a. Most guys will hear all this and do nothing with it, but you've already started. Now keep going. Don't spend your whole life chasing better results without ever changing input. You change what you put into your body and your body starts giving you more. More strength, more control, more presence, that shift. It starts with something as simple as what you drink in the morning. So go make yourself one of these drinks, see the growth and changes take place, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.